Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can accept a Temu invite. So let's get right into it. Now, the thing with Temu is, as far as I'm aware, is they change their invite procedure or their referral procedure or process often. I have seen several methods. I've seen the method where people get codes, which they can then enter to register on Temu, and then afterwards, they and the person they have been referred by will get a bonus or a gift or something like that. Not sure if that still applies. However, if it does, you can just go into coupon codes, and after you're there, you can enter the coupon code and click apply, which can be done on PC by just going into your orders and account and going into coupon codes on the mobile app. You need to go into the U tab at the very bottom and then click on your coupons or the coupon codes. However, on the PC version, that is how you do it. And another thing is the actual referrals, which now I'm pretty sure are only in the form of links, which are here in the affiliate program, where people can share links, which can then get referrals and earn them a commission, which you can just go up to the affiliate section and then just go and click on share. And when somebody shares with you their link, you will be able to click on that link, which will take you either to the website if you're on the internet, or on the browser, or if you're on a mobile phone or any other similar platform. You will be able to click on that link, which will then take you into the Google Play Store or the App Store on Apple, and then you'll be able to then download the app, register, and if you place an order within 30 days, your friend who referred you will get a commission. Now, another thing to mention is if you have had the app before, if you want your friend to get the referral bonus, you do need to wait 14 days or 2 weeks before you actually download and install the app again, and then create an account and place an order within 30 days for the friend to get a bonus. Otherwise, it will not work. You'll see the details within the affiliate page, which, if I go here, as you'll see, for commission on orders placed within 30 days of your referral to download the app. And as you can see, new app users, which is first app download, and reinstall users, which have uninstalled for over 14 days. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.